Searching is the universal technique of problem solving in AI. There are some single-player games such as tile games, Sudoku, crossword. The search algorithms help you to search for a particular position in such games. The games, such as 3 to 3-8 tile, 4 to 4-15 tile, and 5 to 5-24 tile puzzles, are single-agent pathfinding challenges. They consist of a matrix of tiles with a blank tile. The player is required to arrange the tiles by sliding a tile, either vertically or horizontally, into a blank space with the aim of accomplishing some objective. The other examples of single-agent pathfinding problems are Traveling Salesman Problem and Rubik's Cube. Based on the search problems, we can classify the search algorithms into uninformed or blind search and informed or heuristic search algorithms. Brute force or blind search means that you are checking each element in a collection until you find the one you are looking for. If the desired entry is not in the collection, you have to check every entry. It does not explicitly take into account either planning efficiency or execution efficiency. The only thing that a blind search can do is to differentiate between a non-goal state and a goal state. The most important brute force techniques are breadth first search, depth first search, uniform search, and bidirectional search. Suppose you are searching for a word in a dictionary. One possible way to find that is to start from the first page, go through each of the words, then the next page, and so on until you find the word. Of course, this is an inefficient choice.